some of the informations that you send through email may be confidential. In that case, what you can do is to maintain security, you can send a confidential email as well. So for example, I'm going to go around and compose the email. Let me just make it full screen right here and type in the person that I want to send the mail to. So I'm just going to go around and say, please keep this confidential right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that this is the subject, and I'm just going to go around and say confidential then show example email right here. Let me just go around and copy paste this out right here like a dummy data. So once this is done, I can go around over here and then select out the confidential icon. As you can see right here, it says toggle confidential mode. If I were to click on this, what happens is that I can set the expiration date for this particular email. Let's say the other person should view this within 1 day or 1 week or 1 month and so forth. So I'm just going to go around and keep it to 1 week right here, just like this. So this is what you can do. You can also go around and let them require a passcode. For example, you can go for SMS passcode. So certain regions support this while others don't. And in my case, for the example, I'm not going to set any SMS password, but you can enter out their phone numbers and send an SMS passcode as well, so that they have to enter out the passcode in order to view the email as well. And I'm going to go around with this one and click on save right here. Once I do that, it says the content expires on a particular date right here, and I can also go around and edit this whenever I want. And I'm just going to go around, leave it as it is, and now I'm going to hit the send button. So once I do that, what happens is that the message is sent and the other person will receive that email as confidential email. So now I'm going to go around onto the other inbox right here, and this is how they would see it. It says, please keep this confidential. So if I were to go around and click right here on this particular email from the other account, you can see it says, please keep this confidential, and the content will expire on 4th Feb right here, just like this. So this is sent as a confidential email, and the email will automatically expire. And if you were to choose the passcode, then they would have to enter the password in order to view this content. And this is how you can maintain out a level of security so that they won't be able to actually do anything. So with regards to confidentiality, you can see that if they were to go around over here onto more, they won't have the option to forward it. Of course, they can actually go around and take a screenshot of this and so forth. So it's not actually 100% secure, but you can see that they cannot actually go around and select out the contents of the email right here or forward it, which does add a layer of security right here to this particular email. And that is how you can go around and then send out confidential emails by using Zemail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.